So guys, you could see right here in my screen that in the past just 5 days, this is actually a new account, by the way. My old account was banned. In the past 5 days that I've been posting right here, I've gotten about 311 views from questions I've answered right here. So if I scroll down, you'll see different questions right here, like this one doing 15 views, this one doing 29, this one doing 19, this one doing 22, this one right here doing 60, 66, 12, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and show you the method in which you could post affiliate links right here on Quora without getting banned, because they frown if you post your affiliate link directly. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing right here we want to do is that we want to create a Quora account, and this is how we'll go about it. So if you are new to Quora right here, what you want to do is that you just head over to Quora.com. The link will be in the description below, and then click on sign up with email, or you could continue with Google or continue with Facebook. So if you click right here, sign up with email, you just have to put in your name, your email address, and then you hit on next, where it's going to tell you to choose a category and some other stuff, where you are going to see create. And then when you're done with that, your account will be created. But you know me, I normally love going with continue with Google. So I'm just going to hit right here, continue with Google. And then for you, it's going to be asking you to pick a Google account in which you want to continue with. But for me, since I already have a Google account, it's just going to take me directly to my dashboard right here. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to pick the product in which you want to promote right here in Quora. And my first advice to you when you're using Quora to promote any product at all is that firstly, come to your product, your profile right here. After heading to your profile, now what I want you to do, if you are promoting a weight loss product, you want your profile right here to synchronize with that particular product you are promoting. So let's say instead of your face to be here and this kind of name, you should use something like let's say you should look at something like a woman, a lady, give it a lady's name, and then start making posts around weight loss. Start making posts around weight loss. This is going to help the fact that when people finish reading maybe your answers, most people want to come back to your page right here or your profile right here and then check who you are. And if they come back right here and come and see something like this, they might be discouraged. So you want it to synchronize with them, because mostly it's always ladies, so you have to use a lady kind of image. So that's that for that. So right now I'm just going to go back here, and this is the affiliate platform we are going to be using. So my affiliate link and my referral link is actually in the description below, so you could use that to register. And when you come over right here, this is a platform I discovered about some months ago. You come here to offer right here. So just wait for that to load. Okay, so that has load right here. So when we scroll down, you're going to see different products right here. So you can see the Nuvile Labs female fertility. So they have different kind of products on weight loss, male enhancement, fertility, fresh bread, acne, and so on and so forth. So we are going to look for a product for weight loss. We are going to pick the Night Mega Burner right here, and you can see it's giving us a 40% commission. Our average commission, just notice this is an average commission, not your exact commission. This is the average commission, which means it could be higher, it could it could be higher, but it does not go below this. So right here we are just going to hit on details, and then it takes us to the page itself, and then we're just going to, you could look through this, just read it to get a background knowledge of what the kind of product you are promoting. So we're just going to scroll down. So you can see this right here is our affiliate link, and this right here is when maybe you are running an ad and you are just very targeted in one location. So you could see right here, for United States, this is your affiliate link. For Poland, this is your affiliate link. For Netherlands, and so on and so forth. So we are just going to copy this. We're just going to copy this link right here. So the next thing you should do right here is you have to shorten the link. Yeah, but since we are not going to be using this particular link on our listing, we have to build a landing page, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to be doing that in the next video, where I'm going to show you exactly how to build a landing page from start to finish. I don't want this video to be too long. So when we come back right here to Quora, after finding your product that you want to promote, and we go back home right here. So remember, we are promoting a product on weight loss. So we just come back here to the search and type in weight loss. And when we type that in, search. Okay, so you can see that right here. So now you are going to see so many questions about weight loss. So many questions about weight loss. So like this one, what is the most effective weight loss method or program? So you can see that right there. This one has 2.8k views, 8k answers. What's the best weight loss drugs, medicine, and supplements? So you can see this one has 1.5k answers. If you scroll down, what are tips for weight loss? What is the best type of exercise for weight loss? So you're going to see different questions with different amount of answers. So you can see this one 1.5k. As for me, I do not really mind whether 1.5k people have answered this question. I normally go for it. I normally go for the long shot also and answer the question, and I still target questions that do not have enough answer, like those ones that are just recently asked. Is always good you answer them, and those ones that have lesser answer, 631, you could add your answer in. What is your weight loss success story? Do you have secrets to weight loss? So you just have so many questions right here you could answer. So let's try answering one with ChatGPT. So let's say this first one right here. What we are going to do now is that we are going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and we are going to head over to ChatGPT right here. Just refresh this page a bit. Let's give that some time. So we are just going to paste that in here. So what is the most effective weight loss method or program? Now ChatGPT is going to provide us with an answer right here. So see this. So you can see right here, ChatGPT has provided us with an answer right here. So we are just going to copy this. We'll copy that, and then we'll return back to our question right here and click on answer. And then we're just going to paste that in there. So you can see the most effective weight loss method program varies depending on the individual unique needs and circumstances. Some programs may work well and some others may not. In general, and sustainable weight loss involves making healthy lifestyle change such as creating physical blah 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 blah. sheet. So now you might be wondering, where are we going to put our affiliate link, or where are we going to put it? Because this was something generated by ChatGPT, and one of the things is that if you now tell ChatGPT to incorporate your product into this particular write-up, it's going to misbehave. It's going to tell you as an AI he cannot recommend or do some sort of shit like that. So what we are going to do here is that we could add to this. That's one thing I do. I could add to this, making this number 6. So he said the Mediterranean diet, the DASH diet, weight loss posture, low carb diet, intermittent fasting, and so on. So we could add our own. So rich complex to ensure excellent results. So I'm just going to remove this part right here, and then right here where it's written night burner